Buying your first car is exciting, but can also be incredibly confusing. There are hundreds of options and everyone has an opinion, but who do you trust? In this video, we'll break down the best car reviews for first-time buyers, share the top 3 models for 2025, and give you pro-level tips to make the right decision and avoid getting ripped off. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get started. What first-time buyers really want. Before we talk about specific cars, let's ask one important question. What do first-time buyers actually need in a car? Reliability. You don't want to spend your weekends at the mechanic. A reliable car equals peace of mind. Affordability. You might be working with a limited budget. That includes purchase price, insurance, and maintenance. Fuel efficiency. Gas prices are unpredictable. First-time buyers often prefer cars that sip fuel, not guzzle it. Safety. You're still building confidence on the road. Features like lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and backup cameras can make a huge difference. So with these things in mind, let's look at the top picks for first-time buyers in 2025. Top 3 best cars for first-time buyers. 1. Toyota Corolla 2025. Price, starting around $22,000. MPG, up to 41 highway. Why it's great. This car has been the go-to for first-time drivers for decades. It's incredibly reliable, packed with safety features, and holds its value over time. Fun fact, 80% of Corollas sold in the last 15 years are still on the road today. 2. Honda Civic 2025. Price, around $23,000. MPG, 37 combined. Why it's great. If you want something with a bit more style and performance, the Civic delivers. Plus, it comes with Honda's sensing tech, collision mitigation, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, all standard. Buyer review. I love how smooth it drives, and the tech feels premium even though it's affordable. 3. Hyundai Elantra 2025. Price, $21,000 starting. MPG, up to 42 highway. Why it's great. You get a lot of features for a low price. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment, and an amazing warranty. Hyundai offers one of the best warranties in the business. 10 years per 100,000 miles powertrain coverage. Now that you know what to look for, let's talk about what to avoid. Here are 3 major mistakes new car buyers often make. 1. Skipping the test drive. It might look great on paper, but you need to feel how it drives. Does it turn easily? Is the seating comfortable? Are the brakes too sensitive? 2. Forgetting about insurance costs. A flashy car might seem like a good idea until you get your insurance bill. Always check insurance quotes before buying. 3. Not checking for hidden fees. Dealerships often tack on delivery fees, documentation fees, and extras you didn't ask for. Read every line of the contract. Here are 3 pro tips that could save you thousands. Tip number 1. Get pre-approved for a loan. Know your budget and financing before walking into a dealership. It gives you negotiating power. Tip number 2. Consider certified pre-owned, CPO. You can save 20 to 30% buying a CPO car with a factory warranty and low miles. Tip number 3. Always get a mechanic to inspect used cars. Spend $100 today to avoid $1,000 in surprise repairs next month. Whether it's a Corolla, Civic, or Elantra, the best first car is one that fits your needs, your budget, and gives you confidence on the road. Drop a comment below with your top pick or any questions you have, and I'll help you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video on car comparisons and test drives. Until next time, drive smart and stay safe.